Hello, folks. This is Gary Gunn. Hey, I got my green shirt on today because this is the money shot. The money shot I'm talking about is PARP Plus. It works with intake processes, it works with the car repair and service processes, and it also works with the delivery. This is essential, one of the essential 10 processes that is the umbrella that goes over everything that you're trying to accomplish in your auto repair shop. First of all, this is the SOP 3.18. It is the master. I'm not going to sit here and read it to you, but what it is it tells you why we're doing this, who we are, who is responsible, who's accountable. These are some of the key elements that I have listed here. And here is the mother shop. You want to make copies of your template. Fill out for each customer interaction. If you're working on 10 cars today, you have 10 of these filled out because each individual person or opportunity, if you will, needs to have this task list reviewed. All the tasks, subtasks need to be checked off. No pencil whipping. Boing, 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 boing. Did it, did it, did it, did it, did it. Use this as your thinking power. Don't try to remember everything. Once completed, it should be attached to the closing paperwork for auditing afterwards. Use this PARP Plus checklist to enhance your production and efficiency. Let me say that again. You're going to enhance production and efficiency for the entire shop. Please don't think I'll remember all of these things without utilizing this checklist. This is a great training tool for all staff. I don't care if you're brand new. I don't care if you're existing staff. I don't care if you're a 10-year veteran, a 20-year veteran, a 30-year veteran. I'm going to scroll down a little bit here, and this is just a sample of what's here. The latest and greatest is always the one you downloaded in the template and created it with your subtask or performance checklist. So this is a sample. It is in the library, in the Dropbox library. So that, my friends, is what we're talking about when we're talking a PAR plus. Take it, use it, and make it count, and turn your shop into green.